What if your backyard was 107 acres of Wyoming wilderness? You had panoramic views, your own fishing hole, and you could saddle up your horse and ride anytime you wanted, including on state land? Well, we found it for you. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins, and this is Leroy the horse.
And I'm Lindsay Swikeski-Harden with the Alisha Collins real estate team. We are at our newest listing, 11,000 Clearfork Road, right off Hat 6. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an attached 2-car garage.
And a couple barns. We cannot wait to show you. Let's saddle up and go for a ride. This isn't just land, it's your own slice of Wyoming paradise. 107 acres of fenced land, perfect for trail rides, grazing, or just soaking in the peace and quiet. The private reservoir has fish, ideal for afternoon fishing or lazy mornings by the water. Clearfork Muddy Creek winds through this property, bringing in wildlife and offering irrigation with the irrigation system. Out here, you're not just buying acreage, you're buying freedom.
Inside this updated home, you will find natural light everywhere, thanks to these large windows located throughout the house.
And the view out those windows is again stunning. You're also gonna love this newer vinyl planking that's throughout the main level, and it's perfect for cleanup when you have pets or if you're coming in from the barn. Add in the wood stove, mini split systems, and a smart, cozy layout, and you've got charm and function all in one. This house reminds me of the ultimate farmhouse, and the kitchen is truly the heart of the home.
We've got a ton of updates. Updated appliances, updated kitchen cabinets with the 2-tone island, big enough for everybody to gather around while you're cooking that great home-cooked meal.
And if you have more people over, then fit around the island. The dining area is large and it can fit a massive table. How many of you would love a mud room just like this? I know I would.
This room is currently being used as a bedroom office combo on the main floor with a bathroom right around the corner.
Now, if you work from home, this is the perfect office because you can sit and work and look at Casper Mountain. There's also 3 more bedrooms on this upper level and 2 bathrooms, including the primary suite. And it is massive.
The bonus feature of this primary suite is the walkout balcony. You can watch the sunset over the hills or enjoy your morning coffee watching it rise on the other side.
This is more than just a house, it's a way of life. One where you start your day off with coffee on the Trex deck, ride your horse through the open fields and on the state land, and end the day watching wildlife on your property. One more thing, the laundry is conveniently located where most of the bedrooms are on the 2nd level. Use your creativity to finish the almost 800 square foot basement. It has 2 egress windows. A couple more things we wanted to tell you. This home is located 20 or 25 minutes from Casper.
And one more thing about that reservoir, it would be really fun to kayak in the summer. If you'd like to see this home, call or text. Remember, we want you
And your horses
to love where you live.
At Pam, or why can't I say that?
You're so sweet. He just like totally side-eyed you.
You're so sweet.
Okay, you can't talk. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then you.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, me first. Introduce Leroy.
Oh shit. We're starting over one more time. Yeah, I know. Okay. And